Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Keerthana Kalva. I'm a Chief Aesthetic Dermatologist at informskinclinic. So the summary is here and the big question comes, what does this heat really do to our skin and how much does it really damage? Summer, especially when you go and get exposed to harsh sunlight, yes, your skin does develop sunburns if you're very fair, and if you're not very fair, your skin tends to get tanned. So to avoid this, you can make sure you drink plenty of water, make sure you have good amount of electrolytes, make sure you drink good amount of fruit juices. So all this helps in balancing out your electrolytes and they also supply your antioxidants. Now next thing is damage to your hair. Intense sunlight also causes damage to your hair. This UV rays tends to make your hair more fragile and it makes it very brittle. So to avoid that, make sure you tie your hair and also use a cap before going out in sunlight. And if you have a tendency to develop malaria or sun bumps, which we casually often address them as. So when you have a tendency to sweat a lot, you tend to develop a small skin colored itchy papules on your back. So to avoid that, before you step out, make sure you wear cotton based clothing, make sure your clothes are loose and make sure you put on some powder. This powder tends to absorb your sweat and thereby it prevents the itching sensation. And coming to dehydration, if your good water intake also helps in preventing your dehydration. And make sure you use sunscreen to prevent any sun related damage to your face. Make sure you use minimum SPF 50 or SPF 30.